STATCOM, by minimizing loss throughout transmission within a power grid, provides voltage stability, maintains constant output for new renewable energy sources that shows rapid fluctuations such as photovoltaic or wind generation, and stabilizes voltage during voltage drop upon malfunctions of transmission lines by compensating reactive power. Installing STATCOM allows users to utilize electricity generated at power plants at maximum efficiency. This is the preparation room. The necessary components for the assembling of converter valve. Each component is tested and classified. This is the power module assembly. Materials and necessary parts for the power module are assembly. Power module is considered of one of the main part of STATCOM. Power module tests by applying voltage and current through the power module to check normal operation. During valve assembly process, the tested power modules are lifted and accurately placed in the valve converter frame to be assembled with capacitor and other sub-modules. Then the capacitor is installed, and eventually the converter valve assembly process is completed. The room where converter valve insulation test is conducted. Actual voltages are applied to measure resistance of the converter valve to insulation. This is the converter valve function test room. Valves of which its insulation test is completed is moved to be assembled with converter valve to be a subject for the function test to confirm its normal operation and function. This is the function test room. It's connected to the control room, where the engineer is able to check the rated operational voltage under various operation environments. After valve installation and function tests, products are packed and delivered. Thank you for visiting the STATCOM factory. Thank you.